Hello, my name is Dr. Intan Permatasari Hermawan, Magister Science. I'm from Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Wijaya Kusuma, Surabaya University. And thank you to inviting me to be oral speaker on 4th International Conference on Veterinary Medicine and Health Science. And this research collaboration between Airlangga University, Wijaya Kusuma Surabaya University, Syah Kuala University, and National Research and Innovation Agency, and funded by Ministry of Education in Indonesia. And the title of this research is Scanning Electron Microscope, Image of a Mixture of Curry Leaf Extract in Poultry Feed. So the background of this research is the broiler chicken meat has very fine nutritional contents, and as the, for example, breast content 1.2% fat and 1.1% S and 23.3% protein and 74.4% water. And the success of the increasing broiler chicken production, it can be seen on the feed conversion ratio, consumption feed, and mortality. And the obtaining optimal quality performance is influenced by several things like feed, seed, and maintenance management. And the scanning electron microscope is an electron microscope tool designed to observe the sample surface directly, and analysis was carried out on the cathode sheet on determine distribution of powder matrix, porosity, and the ability of the active material powder. And the working principle of SAM is that the electron gun produces the electron beam and from the filament. And this research, it can be new article or the new idea to be seen or imaging and observe the filament on poultry feed. And then the material and method of this research. So before preparation of feed mixture of curry leaf extract was made previously, and the mineral mixture was analyzed using the scanning electron microscope by Hitachi TM3030 Plus by Japan. And then the result and discussion for this research is the observation show that the ratio variation that produce the most optimal grain shape and size is in 1 between 20 ratio variation test, and then the alumina powder grain appear to be starting to become irregular rounded, and there are more grains measured 8 until 30 micrometer. And then you can see in the results that A, B, C, D, the first image is 5,000 magnification. And then B is between 20, 10,000 magnification. And C is 1 between 20 in 15,000 magnification. And D is 1 between 30, 20,000 magnification. And the feature 2 is a scanning electron microscope with different images is 30 micrometer, and then 15 micrometer, and then 10 micrometer, and 8 micrometer. And the feature 3, some mixture of curry leaf extract and mineral with ratio 37.5 gram between 212 to 12.5 gram, and scanning electron microscope with 30, 50, 10, and 8 micrometer. And based on feature 1 of its surface of the specimen without inhibitor can be seen the material has damage in the form of small holes and many corrosion product in the form of island covering the entire surface of the material. And meanwhile, on the surface of the specimen with the addition of inhibitor, it can be seen that it's a thin white layer formed on the surface, and apart from that, there are also a few corrosion products on the surface of the material, and this corrosion usually occurred in carbon steel in the atmospheric or corrosive environment. And figure 2, it can be seen that electrons that come out or to be beam primary electron with very large energy are focused by condenser lens and from a light beam and will be deflected by pair of scan coils and the refocused by the objective. So the primary electron interact with the sample, and then testing of curry leaf particle in the study was carried out using SAM instrument. And SAM is a type of electron microscope that is used to determine the surface of the solid objects by scanning using a high energy electron beam. And overall, the carbon particle bind to each other, leading to the formation of fiber. And this is the most clearly visible at 20,000 magnification. In car reliefs, the distribution particle can be even throughout the matrix area, and the carbon particle can bind to each other to form long fibers. And the conclusion of this research, you can see at the feature that the result of observation same mixture of curry leaf extract and minerals with ratio 12.5 gram between 237.5 grams showed that the ratio variation that produced the most optimal green shape and size in the 1:20 ratio variation test. And this is the references of this article. And thank you for this opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.